Okay, we stopped at a gas station, and here's a Ruud Achiever series condensing unit. Model number, manufacturing date, 8/2007. Model number UAND-036JAZ. It's a one-phase, R22, I'm guessing. Fort Smith, Arkansas. So you have to, whatchamacallit, 2.5 ton. And the air handler's all the way up in the attic. I ain't got much time. Next one is a WeatherKing, which is a Rheem brand. Same one that's fairly quiet. It's a scroll compressor. It's still got the thing on it, but that's manufactured 9/2006. Model 13AJ A36A01. One phase. Crap, it don't even say refrigerant. R22, I'm guessing. Assembled in Mexico. That's a WeatherKing. Alright. I know there's some refrigeration components. Well, here they are. A Ruud Achiever and a WeatherKing. Alright, thank you for watching.